Now let's say I have an object and it doesn't look right when I'm looking to slice it. If I click on the three dots, I can actually go to Build Plate and I can now move or duplicate or move around my object. Now you should do this in Tinkercad first, but you can also do it here in AstroPrint if you're doing an object that you may not be able to get on Tinkercad or isn't loaded in Tinkercad or you got on Thingiverse or something like that. So you're going to click that, you're going to open Build Plate, and what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to look at our print. And the print I'm going to show you right now has to print in a very specific orientation. Now, if you look, this print has a very tiny base and has a point here. But this is a flat base, so it has to print in that flat base. Now, I could move the print, and I can move it, and you'll see there's two ways to move. If I needed to make multiple different moves, I could move it. I can clone it to print more of them. So I simply click on the object, and I can click Clone. Now, it will take a moment because, remember, you're doing this all in the cloud, so it's easier to do this in your Tinkercad, is make all your duplicates there if you're printing more than one. Now, something to think about is, do I need to rotate my object? Maybe your object came in and it didn't look right. You can rotate it. And all you simply do is you grab these little bars. So maybe I need to rotate it one way around. Maybe I need to rotate it up and down. Maybe I need to move it. Okay? So you can do full rotations. You can also cut it. Maybe you need to cut it in half. The big one might be scale. All right, now this can scale up, and when you pull one or the other, it will automatically scale it, and it will fit on the bed. Okay, so you can scale something. You can make it larger. If for any reason you don't like what's going on, then you can always reset the scale. All right, and it resets it to its original size. Once you have what you like, you can click Save Plate. Now, an object like this, we want to print it, so its largest piece is going to sit on the bottom, because if we try to print on the tip or on the side, it's not going to print well. But this is designed to be able to print on that small piece. We'll have to add a brim or a raft, but it will work. So that is using Build Plate to move and manipulate your objects on AstroPrint.